Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jila Meghalaya Ukanrat Sangma ula pentip baka Sorkar Jila ke Thmu Wanrah ya ke electoral roll ni ke Thup Kyrteng ba Kyrpang ha district council ha ke bede bat kamat scheduled tribe ula ong ba ni ke sian jam kan long kat kum ki kendon bala dan lupa bala buat di ke district council bat ula pen pau biang ba ke jing Thmu jang ke Sorkar halor kan ni ke kam ke long ke basai Menteri Rangba ula pentip ru baka Sorkar kan sa examine ni ki kendon riti senshar ki bede bat kani da ke baong ba ke jing penrung la ke jong ya ke Thup nong Thep vote ke ba Kyrpang ke yailong ke ba Kongsan halor kimat ki bede bat ki scheduled tribe ukanrat ula ong ba ke Sorkar kan sa bishar benya shu ya kani kamat habakran halor ke special intensive revision SIR ula kedo ba ke long ke ba Kongsan bat ke Sorkar Jila ke Kershanting ban penteri kam yaka ula benrap ru ba ke Sorkar kan shimi ki sin jam badan kam kat ba ke jinglong jingman ke nangkiu bat kan yai don ke jing trilang ke bajan bat ke Sorkar India bat ke Election Commission of India.
And we will be basing it on the basis of the rules that is being followed on all the district councils. And we will be looking at all the constitutional provisions. But we are very, very clear that a separate electoral roll must come out.
Sir, and what about the ST order 1950?
Reducing the number of STs, limiting to indigenous, Kasi, Jente, Garo, that is the demand.
No, that aspect we have not checked. We'll examine that aspect. That I have not seen yet. I have to understand what exactly the point is.
So there is also demand for SIR also. So
Yes, SIR is something that we are very keen. As a state government, we feel very strongly that SIR should be implemented, and we are for it. And we will see when the situation arises. We are in touch with the Government of India as well as Election Commission has communicated, but we don't have the exact dates and the exact process. But we are definitely, it's something that should be done. This was an issue that has come up in the past. We have also discussed this, but it's a standing order that has come from Government of India, and it is an order that has said that whenever governor is present, it will be played. And as I said, it's been implemented throughout the country. There is, of course, a lot of debate about it. It's definitely a matter that we are also taking up with Government of India to see how we can address this particular issue that is in front of us.